Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change text font color in a fillable text box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your fillable PDF form and I'll change this text box text font color. Now click on this form option, this menu bar, and here you will find this text field option. Click here. Now click on this text box and select and press right button for your mouse cursor and select properties option. And properties dialog box, select appearance option, already selected appearance, and this is text font color. Here you can change your text color and see the changes. Also you can add custom color here, other color. Here you can change and edit your text color and see this. And similar also I'll say this text font color, appearance option, dialog box. And see this. In this way you can change text font color on your text box. And finally select this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.